Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota M7060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. The tractor has just under 150 hours on it, so it practically is a new tractor. Looks like it was manufactured in September of 2017 according to the sticker there. It does have one little scratch on top of the hood here, very minor. Obviously, as you can see, LA 1154 loader goes with it. Has a quick attach, skid steer style quick attach bucket connection. It's a super sharp tractor. It has 71 horsepower. Again, just under 150 hours. We did just service the tractor, so it has a fresh service. Is ready to go to work. It does have the mirrors on both sides of the cab. It's got two doors in the cab. Tires are excellent, front and back. Has the telescopic 3-point arms, 540 PTO. We're remote back here. Got the Ultra Grand cab. Inside is clean, just like the exterior. Suspension seat there for the operator. 8-speed transmission. You do have the hydraulic shuttle here, which allows direction change without clutching. Also have the loader control, rear hydraulic outlet, high-low range lever, and then also your hand throttle there on the short lever. 3-pointed PTO controls also over there to the right. Differential lock, foot throttle, individual brakes, and clutch pedal here to the left or down below. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please feel free to contact us. Again, we did just service this tractor. It went through our shop. It's ready to rock and roll. If you have questions, please contact us.